Hey there, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to identify the resource hogging processes on Mac. When you open the Mac and if you find your system is loading slow, so what you need to do is you need to close the applications which are using maximum resources. For that, you can go to the Finder, and within the Finder, go to Applications, and within the Applications, if you scroll down, you would be able to see Utilities folder, and within the Utilities, open the Activity Monitor. So once you open the activity monitor, it will display all the processes which are using in the background. So if you sort by CPU, you would be able to what all applications that are being used your CPU. So right now I can only identify Safari as which is open. If I open multiple other apps, say suppose Maps and FaceTime and Apple TVs are very heavy. So just let me open that, and you would be see the processes for these applications has been started appearing in here. So this way you can identify which application is using the maximum CPU. Similarly, if you go to this memory tab and sort by memory usage, you would be able to see which application is using the maximum memory. So right now I have sorted by memory, highest memory, and you would be able to see the Maps is using the maximum memory. And next to it there are Windows Server and Apple Wallpaper Dynamic Extension, which are system, so we do not touch it. Now next is the Apple TV and Safari as well as the FaceTime. So all these applications are using the memory. So what you can do is you can close whatever the app which is using the maximum memory. Say suppose the Maps app, which I do not require right now, so I can just select that and hit on this close and then quit, which will close the map application processes. Similarly, you can go to this disk, which will give you idea of which application is using the maximum disk, which is the read write, and you can just sort it by maximum, and here you would be able to see which application is currently using the maximum disk rewrite. And right now I cannot see any application known to me. I can see the Apple TV, which is using 2.6 MB of process. Then I can just go and hit on this cross icon and then quit. So this will also close the Apple TV. This way you can identify the resource hogging processes and the background applications using the activity monitor. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.